Om Sai Ram, Om Shri Radhakrishna Mahitayi ki Jai. Welcome back to all the viewers, those who are watching our channel. Today, I am in Kopargoan Railway Station. You all can wonder what is this Kopargoan Railway Station. Today, we come in flights or road vehicles like car, buses. But on those times, there were no facilities like that. Devotees who used to see Sai Baba come at this railway station. Today, we take road taxis, autos, cabs to go to Shirdi. But on those times, there were no facilities like that. They used to take tong vehicles or bullock carts and go see Lord Sai Baba. On the way to Shirdi, there is an important river called Godavari River. All the devotees, those who came to see Sai Baba, used to take bath in that river and go meet Lord Sai Baba. Nowadays, you may get taxi on the opposite of Kopargoan Railway Station. The distance between Kopargoan Railway Station and Shirdi Sai Baba Temple is exactly 16 km. We will meet in our upcoming videos with new places and temples in Shirdi. Om Sai Ram, Om Shri Radhakrishna Mahitayi ki Jai.